Vintage Ricoh 500G Rangefinder camera. Camera product description. Capture the timeless charm of film photography with the Ricoh 500G, a vintage gem that's both reliable and distinctive. Released in 1972 as part of the esteemed Ricoh compact rangefinder series, this camera may not have boasted groundbreaking specifications, but it certainly makes up for it with its unique character and quality craftsmanship. Key features and characteristics. Compact design. The Ricoh 500G exhibits the classic elegance of rangefinder cameras from its era. Its compact and portable design ensures that it's always ready for your photographic adventures, making it the perfect companion for everyday photography. Versatile 40mm lens. Equipped with a 40mm lens, the Ricoh 500G offers a versatile focal length suitable for a wide range of photography styles, from landscapes to portraits. Reliable copal leaf shutter. Featuring a mechanical copal leaf shutter, this camera offers shutter speeds ranging from 1/8 to 1/500 seconds, as well as a bulb mode for long exposures. The copal shutter is renowned for its reliability, ensuring consistent and precise performance. Built-in light meter. The lens-mounted CDS, cadmium sulfide meter, accurately measures light from 25 to 800 ASA, making exposure settings a breeze. Whether you're shooting in varying lighting conditions or experimenting with different film types, this feature ensures well-exposed photographs. Flash hot shoe. The standard X-Sync flash hot shoe allows you to connect external flash units, providing flexibility in low light or creative photography scenarios. Self-timer. The self-timer feature enables you to take self-portraits or group shots with a delay, expanding your creative possibilities. Why choose the Ricoh 500G? While the Ricoh 500G may not have revolutionized the world of cameras, it has earned its place as a beloved classic among vintage and film photography enthusiasts. Its simplicity, reliability, and the timeless quality of images it produces have endeared it to photographers around the world. Item condition. This Ricoh 500G is in average vintage condition. It has been kept in storage with minimal signs of wear. All camera functions are fully operational. The camera is sold as is. Shipping and pickup. We offer shipping services. Please contact us for details on shipping costs, methods, and estimated delivery times. Local pickup is available, and we can arrange a convenient location and time. Contact. For inquiries or to make a purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us at our Facebook page, Relic Resale. Rediscover the joy of analog photography with the Ricoh 500G. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this piece of photographic history. Order now and start capturing timeless moments with a touch of vintage elegance.